MindMuse Audio, a muse for your mind, one summary at a time. Today's book is a quite game changer. No hype, no 5 a.m. boot camps, just one idea. Tiny steps equals big wins. The book, One Small Step Can Change Your Life. The Kaizen Way by Dr. Robert Maurer. This isn't just a book, it's a rebellion against everything that tells you go big or go home. Because here's the truth, sometimes going big just leads to burnout, but going small, that's where the real transformation begins. The problem with big change energy, let's face it, we've all been seduced by big change energy. New Year's resolutions, 30-day challenges, 10-step productivity hacks, and yeah, they feel good at first. You get pumped, your notebook is color coded, your gym shoes are by the door. Then reality hits, work piles up, you are tired, life is lifing. And suddenly, you're ghosting your own goals. Sound familiar? Here's why. Your brain hates sudden change. When you try to overhaul everything at once, your brain's amygdala, the fear center, hits the alarm. Even if the change is positive, your nervous system reads it as a threat. So you sabotage, you delay, you Netflix instead. Enter the Kaizen philosophy. But here's where Dr. Maurer flips the script. He introduces the ancient Japanese philosophy of Kaizen, which literally means good change or continuous improvement. Kaizen is all about small, almost invisible steps that sneak under your brain's radar. No alarms, no fear, no drama. Think of it like ninja style self improvement. You're not charging in with a sword, you're tiptoeing your way into transformation. Real life Kaizen moves. Here are some real Kaizen moves that sound ridiculous but actually work. Want to exercise? Start by marching in place during one TV commercial. Want to read more? Read just one paragraph before bed. Want to meditate? Start with one deep breath, literally one. Want to start journaling? Write one sentence a day. Doesn't even have to be profound. It's not about the content of the action, it's about building the habit loop. The goal? Show up, not show off. Why small works? Psychology check. Here's where the science backs it up. Small steps bypass the fear response in the brain. Dr. Maurer explains it like this: your brain is designed to protect you from risk. Big changes, risky. Small changes, safe. And when your brain feels safe, it relaxes. It allows new habits to form. Neurons begins to wire together and momentum starts to build quietly, gradually, powerfully. That's why Kaizen feels slow but is actually faster in the long run. Think of it like a compound interest. It starts small, but over time, boom. Stories from the book. Let's talk real stories. Dr. Maurer worked with a woman who hated exercise. Every plan failed. So he gave her one Kaizen task. Just stand on the treadmill for 1 minute a day. Not walk, just stand. Sounds silly, right? But after a week, she started walking, then jogging. Eventually, she became a regular runner. Another client wanted to write a novel, but was paralyzed with perfectionism. So Maurer told him, write one sentence a day. That's it. Within months, he had written an entire book. These aren't hacks, they are neuro friendly doorways into a new life. The ego trap. Now, here's where it gets real. Your ego will resist this. Why? Because we live in a world that celebrates hustle, extremes, and crushing it. Taking small steps might feel weak, lazy, even embarrassing. But think about it, what's stronger? Doing a 3-hour workout once or doing 10 minutes daily for 6 months? Exactly. Consistency is always greater than intensity. Kaizen teaches you to be humble, quiet, and committed. It's not about chasing motivation, it's about creating momentum. Kaizen for the mind. And it's not just about habits. Kaizen also works on mindset. Say you're stuck in a negative spiral, overwhelmed by anxiety or guilt. Ask yourself a tiny question. What's one thing I'm grateful for right now? Or what's one thing I can control today? These questions shift your brain's focus without triggering defense mode. Tiny thoughts create tiny shifts, lead to massive emotional relief. Your 24-hour Kaizen challenge. Alright, MindMuse fam, ready for your Kaizen challenge? Here it is. Pick one area of your life you want to improve. Now ask, what is the absolute smallest, easiest action I can take today? Not tomorrow, not after that new course, not when you feel ready. Today, now. Do it, celebrate it, repeat tomorrow. This is your Kaizen moment. And remember, one small step might just change everything. You've been listening to MindMuse audio, a muse for your mind, one summary at a time. If this resonated with you, hit that subscribe button. We've got more bite sized brilliance coming your way from books that move your mind, heal your heart, and fuel your hustle. No fluff, no guru drama, just ideas that actually work. Until next time, keep it small, keep it steady, and keep going. MindMuse Audio, powering your progress one step at a time.